Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by placing the workbook where Power Automate can reach it, OneDrive or SharePoint. Create a proper Excel table and give it an explicit name so flows target it reliably. Next, sign into Power Automate with an account that has permissions to the file location. Once done, open the flow editor and choose a trigger like when a file is created or a scheduled recurrence. This sets the connection context and eliminates common access errors before you build actions. Now you configure actions that read and process table rows. Choose Excel Online Business and use list rows present in a table, specifying location, document library, file, and table name so Power Automate can pull data. Make sure to add and apply to each if multiple rows are returned, and optionally use OData filters to reduce payload. Then transform each row with compose or expressions to match the schema of downstream connectors. Finish by testing the flow end-to-end using representative rows. Then examine run history to verify outputs and error details. If you see empty outputs or timeout errors, enable pagination or adjust top count and add delays to avoid lock conflicts. Make sure the workbook isn't open for editing in the desktop app and that headers are unique so column mapping stays stable. If runs fail, reselect the file and table in the action to refresh schema, and then rerun your tests.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.